4,500 peak watts and 3,700 rated watts at less than 3% THD, telescoping handle, gas-powered, remote start with included key fob, electric and recoil start, features a 520R120V duplex household outlet, an RV-ready TT, 30R 30-amp outlet and 2 USB outlets. Great choice for travel trailers or home use. Strong enough to run all your essentials. LED data center, rotating digital display shows fuel level, power output, remaining runtime, voltage output, and lifetime hours. Extremely quiet. Extremely fuel efficient, as low as 52 dBA noise output and up to 18-hour runtime on a 3.4-gallon gas tank. Features economy mode for maximum fuel efficiency. The Westinghouse iGen 4500 inverter generator is a premium power solution to meet your portable power needs whether you're camping or on the go. With a TT 30R RV-ready outlet, 220A household outlets, and built-in USB ports, this generator is ideal for recreational activities or as an emergency backup power source. It's engineered for maximum fuel efficiency with a variable engine speed to produce only the power you need at any given time, running for up to 18 hours on a 3.4-gallon fuel tank to save you repeated trips to the gas station. Conveniently built with push-button electric start and wireless remote start for easy ignition. It features a lightweight, compact design with wheels and an extendable suitcase-style handle, making this model effortlessly more portable than traditional generators. Customer ratings by feature. Accuracy, 4.9 star, for working out, 4.8 star, noise level, 4.6 star, maneuverability, 4.5 star.